Your home and kitchen deserve tools that make life easier and more efficient. In this video, I've put together a list of 20 handy gadgets that can help with everything from cooking to organizing. I have listed the best options to save you time and effort. You'll find links in the description below to get the best prices on all the products mentioned. Let's take a look at these practical and useful gadgets that can make a real difference in your daily routine. Chef Chef'n Corn Stripper. Effortlessly remove corn from the cob by twisting and pushing this innovative kitchen tool. Designed with safety in mind, its kid-friendly construction keeps blades securely enclosed, making it suitable for family use. Durable stainless steel blades ensure easy kernel removal every time, while its compact design makes it convenient to store in any kitchen drawer or cabinet. This gadget is a must-have for anyone who loves fresh, sweet corn without the hassle. Bella Air Fryer. Simplify cooking with intuitive knob controls and prepare gourmet meals quickly. Perfect for small gatherings, its 2.5-pound capacity caters to 2 to 4 people with ease. Offering 5 functions: air fry, broil, bake, roast, and reheat. It's powered by a 1400-watt heating element for perfectly crispy results. Enjoy healthier meals with up to 88% less fat. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket and tray make cleanup effortless, making this a versatile addition to your kitchen. Fotile Countertop Steam Oven. Versatile with 10 functions, this oven allows you to bake, broil, toast, and steam meals effortlessly. Its precise temperature control ensures consistent results for every dish. Steam cooking preserves nutrients while reducing calorie intake, making it a healthier choice. With 40 preset cooking menus, meal preparation becomes simple and efficient. This countertop marvel is perfect for creating delicious, nutritious meals in a compact, stylish package. Shark Robot Vacuum. Experience powerful suction that tackles dirt on any surface, combined with a self-cleaning brush roll that resists hair wrap. Its precision mapping uses 360-degree LiDAR vision for thorough, adaptive cleaning day or night. Matrix Clean technology ensures no spot is missed, while the self-emptying base stores up to 60 days of debris. Controlled via the Shark Clean app or voice commands, this robotic vacuum makes home cleaning smarter and easier. Agrimony Cat Funny Hand Towels. Add charm to your kitchen or bathroom with these adorable cat-themed hand towels. Designed with soft, absorbent fabric, they are perfect for drying hands while delivering a cozy touch. Realistic cat details, including the head, paws, and tail, make them a delightful decorative element. Equipped with snap buttons to stay securely in place, these towels offer both practicality and a heartwarming experience. Yi Garlic Press Grinder. Effortless garlic preparation with redesigned grinding teeth and an ergonomic grip for comfort. Crush peeled cloves in seconds using the twist and press mechanism, yielding fresh, fragrant garlic, ideal for cooking. A sealable storage container keeps garlic fresh during prep, while its seamless design ensures quick cleanup, either by hand or dishwasher. Durable and rust-resistant, this grinder is a game-changer for garlic lovers. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. Cook delicious, restaurant-quality pizza with adjustable temperatures up to 800 Fahrenheit. Compact and stylish, this countertop oven fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Choose from 6 preset pizza options or customize settings for your perfect crust. Utilizing commercial-grade heating technology, it ensures even cooking for crispy, flavorful results. Whether for Neapolitan, thin crust, or pan pizza, this oven brings professional cooking to your home. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Create 4-inch snack-sized waffles in minutes with this compact and efficient appliance. Plug it in, add batter, and let the indicator light guide you to perfect results. The non-stick cooking surface ensures easy waffle removal and simple cleanup. Ideal for breakfasts or creative treats, its portability and user-friendly design make it great for single servings or batch cooking for the week ahead. Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel. Achieve flawless pizza slices with minimal effort using a large cutting wheel and ergonomic design. Offering stability and control, this tool cuts cleanly in one motion. Its compact size fits comfortably in your hand and stores neatly in any drawer. A protective blade guard ensures safe storage, making it an essential tool for pizza enthusiasts seeking convenience and precision. Ripple's The Original Maker 2. Transform foam-top drinks into personalized masterpieces with this innovative media printer. Designed for coffee, cocktails, beer, and desserts, it uses plant-based, natural extracts for vibrant, flavorful designs. Easy to operate and Wi-Fi enabled, it prints in seconds, enhancing staff efficiency and customer engagement. Perfect for branding or social media-worthy creations, this compact device elevates beverages with a touch of artistry. Wearing commercial crepe maker. Large, 16-inch cast-iron cooking surface paired with a durable stainless steel base and heat-resistant handle ensures even heat distribution and stability during use. An adjustable thermostat reaches up to 570 degrees Fahrenheit, offering precise temperature control for diverse recipes. Convenient power and ready indicator lights enhance usability, making it a reliable tool for achieving consistent results. Eucopia Food Container Lid Organizer. Flexible storage is made effortless with adjustable dividers, creating spaces for lids of all sizes, up to 9-inch wide. A center channel keeps round lids steady, while built-in handles simplify accessibility. This organizer sets up quickly with no tools, ensuring an organized kitchen in minutes. Kanashan Chip Bag Sealer. 2-in-1 functionality combines a heat sealer and cutter, providing efficient storage for leftovers while preserving freshness. Suitable for various bag types, its high-quality ABS construction ensures durability. Easy to use with no preheating required, the updated design simplifies sealing, keeping snacks fresh and flavorful. AXD Turntable Organizer. Smooth 360-degree spinning ensures effortless access to spices, condiments, and essentials, while raised edges keep items secure. Equipped with non-slip feet and built-in handles, it provides stability and portability. Its open design promotes visibility and convenience, perfect for organizing countertops and cabinets. Kongnai Kitchen Funnel Set. Food-grade silicone construction ensures safety and flexibility, withstanding temperatures from -40 to 250 degrees Celsius. A collapsible design saves space, while vibrant colors and multiple sizes suit various needs. Easy to clean and store, these funnels are ideal for baking and cooking tasks. Barsis Cocktail Drink Mixer. Perfectly mixed cocktails in as little as 10 seconds, thanks to app integration that customizes recipes based on your preferences. Transparent ingredient storage and an included cleaning solution streamline maintenance. This tool revolutionizes mixology, delivering premium drinks effortlessly. Kyo Watermelon Fork Slicer. 3-in-1 functionality simplifies cutting and serving watermelon with precision. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while its ergonomic design offers comfort. This versatile tool combines a slicer, fork, and popsicle cutter, making it an essential addition to summer gatherings. Ninja Multi-Cooker. Versatile cooking capabilities replace up to 14 appliances, offering searing, sautéing, steaming, and baking in one device. The 8.5-quart capacity suits large meals, while triple fusion heat ensures faster cooking. Oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it caters to diverse culinary needs. Easy Off Jar Opener. Effortless jar opening with a one-handed design suitable for all lid types, including vacuum-sealed or child-proof. Ideal for seniors or those with weak hands, it mounts neatly under cabinets, saving counter space. Durable construction and a non-slip grip ensure reliability. Ninja Portable Blender. Portable blending power redefines convenience with a detachable base and lightweight design. Auto IQ programs enable seamless smoothie, crush, and blend functions. The 22-ounce capacity accommodates generous servings, making it a perfect companion for on-the-go lifestyles. Transform your home and kitchen into a hub of convenience with these 20 handy Amazon gadgets. Whether you're upgrading your culinary game or simplifying everyday tasks, these tools are sure to make a big impact. Ready to snag your favorites? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video sparked some inspiration, show us some love with a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Stay tuned for more must-have gadgets, tips, and reviews coming your way.